The central government has set fresh guidelines to monitor content on the OTT platforms. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, in his address to the media, began by saying social media is welcome to do business in India because they've empowered ordinary Indians. He added that the social media users must be given a platform to raise their concerns.
The government welcomes criticism and the right to dissent. Let me make it very clear. And social media has been used to ask questions too. But it is very important that the users of social media must be given the forum to raise their grievance and resolution against the use, against the abuse and misuse of social media.
The Union Minister also announced the salient features of the new social media rules. The government has instructed the OTT platforms to set up a grievance redressal mechanism.
पहला है कि आपको एक ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल मैकेनिज्म रखना पड़ेगा और इस ग्रीवांस ऑफिसर का नाम भी आपको रखना पड़ेगा who shall register the grievance within 24 hours and disposal in 15 days.
The Union Minister also asked the intermediaries to ensure online safety and maintain dignity of users, particularly women.
If there are complaints against the dignity of users, particularly women, that expose their private parts of individuals or nudity or in sexual act, impersonation, etc., you will be required to remove that within 24 hours after a complaint is made.
Two categories of social media intermediaries were announced by the Union Minister.
तो जो significant social media होगा, उनको 3 काम करना पड़ेगा. पहला, you will have to have a chief compliance officer resident in India, responsible for ensuring compliance of the acts and the rules. Second, a nodal contact person resident in India for having 24/7 coordination with the law enforcement agencies. तो पहला हो गया चीफ कंप्लायंस ऑफिसर, दूसरा हो गया नोडल कंटैक्ट पर्सन, तीसरा है अपॉइंट ए रेजिडेंट ग्रीवांस ऑफिसर हु शैल परफॉर्म द ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल मैकेनिज्म एज आई इंडिकेटेड. एंड नेक्स्ट इज यू मस्ट पब्लिश ए मंथली कंप्लायंस रिपोर्ट कि आपके पास कितने कंप्लेंट्स आए, आपने उन पर क्या कार्रवाई किया और क्या रिड्रेसल किया.
Union Minister Prakash Javadekar announced a 3-tier mechanism for OTT platforms.
We have decided to have 3-tier mechanism for OTT platforms. First, for OTT and digital news media, both will have to disclose their details from where they publish, how they publish, how much is the spread, anything. So that disclosure will come. That is first. Information. We are not mandating a registration. We are seeking information.
He added there should be a grievance redressal system in OTT platforms.
Then second is, there has to be grievance redressal system as Raviji has said. Their grievance redressal system in the same manner, it will work in OTT platforms and digital portals also. They will have to have their own portal for grievance redressal. Then second tier will be self-regulation. On OTT platforms, they will have to have a self-regulation, a body headed by a retired Supreme Court or High Court judge or otherwise very eminent person in this category.
Ravi Shankar Prasad also said the social media platforms, upon being asked either by a court order or by the government authority, will be required to disclose the first originator of any mischievous tweet. The Union Minister said that they had received several complaints of objectionable content being shown on the OTT platforms, and hence the laying down of rules was necessary.